Okay, the condensing unit is inside the north wall. Got a little scuttle hole here, and it has set for 3 feet footers, and there's only 2 installed. I don't know what the statistical relevance of that is, but the manufacturer feels like there should be some duplicity over here on the end where the compressor is, and there's not. This side here, let's see if we get a flashlight on this. Somebody thought the wall belonged here, and so those are the anchor bolts. There isn't a wall here. This probably wasn't a good idea considering the size of this unit. Kicking this wall out towards the stairs, I have no way to assume that additional anchor bolts were installed and used. These structures are 32 inches apart, some places 36, but mostly 32.